All right, everybody. I just want to quick show you some stuff in Fusion 360 here really quick. Um, so I've opened up Fusion 360 on my PC here. This water bottle one, inserting the image, I thought I had made a work plane in here, but I guess I hadn't. So you can't just insert an image anywhere. You have to insert it into a sketch on a plane or put it on a plane. So I'm going to go to construct. All right. Click the arrow here. I'm going to do a tangent plane, right? And I click this surface. I want it tangent. Then you can set your angle, whatever you want. I'm just going to make it 0 degrees. Now I'm going to see if I can't insert um, canvas. See, this is this is interesting. This is a little bit different for Inventor here. So I'm going to do canvas, and you got to insert from the computer. I just got a logo JPEG here. You can click that plane and it puts it on there. I think you can rotate it here somehow. No, I don't know. So I'm gonna hit OK. And then I can rotate it after the fact, I suppose. But that's how you place it in there. Then, so that's in making sketches. You just place the image in there. If you want to decal it, which is wrap it on the bottle, I think you have to do it right from there. I think you have to do it just straight away. So you go back to this, insert, decal, and again, insert from my computer, the logo, open, and you want to put it on that face, and it just kind of throws it on there randomly, and you can change the size and the location and stuff. I guess you can move it that way. There's a way to change this. Oh, that's the rotation of it. So I can't seem to figure out how to get it upright, but that's okay. So that's how you decal in here. And then that's it. So that puts the image on the bottle. Now, why did it change size? I'm not exactly sure, but there you go. So that's how you decal it on there. All right. So it's kind of two different things, inserting sketch and decal. So it's a little bit different than it was for an Inventor. Not so important. We almost never decal. It doesn't, it just makes it look interesting. It doesn't 3D print that, obviously. The text one, I'll show that. The work plane was in this one. I just double checked. So you got to add that work plane, the previous one, to be able to insert the image. And then the decal, you can just do it right there. Now the text one, I create a sketch on this plane. All right. And then I can do the text, create text. I always just click somewhere. Oh, what's going to make me? I guess it's going to make me make a text box here. Okay. All right. Then I'm going to do it. Put your name. All right. So mine's a little bit big. Now let's see if this does this height. I wonder, one of the things that always drives me nuts about Inventor is you have to highlight the text in the text box. And the other thing that drives me crazy is font. You don't get a preview of the font. Yeah, same thing here. You can't really get a good preview of the font. You can click it, it changes it. Anyways, hit OK. There it is. You can move it around, center it better if you want. Finish sketch. So that when you get to the next project, you do the same thing. And you do create, emboss. Click the sketch. And then you want to select the face, this face. And that should be it. Effect, emboss. Now, why is it not saying, let me do OK? Let's select. Okay, that wasn't selected for some reason. Faces. Select. Select. Oops, I clicked the wrong thing. Let's just cancel that. Let's try it one more time. Create Emboss, select the profile, bam, G Harmon. Select the faces, we want this face. Why did it highlight all of it? Uncheck tangent chain, okay. Still giving me an error, sweet. All right, let's try one more time. If this doesn't work, then unselect tangent chain face. Why is it? Anyway. Okay. Seems to have gotten it now. There you go. Click OK. It'll do it. It's embossed. Cool. So I had to unclick that tangent chain option there. So that's how you do those two. All right. So insert with your picture practice. There's your text and your emboss. That should wrap up this project. So just email me if you have any further questions on how to do that. Thanks.